and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the January Topbox mystery box. So this is a Canadian box and it's my second time I've received it. It is $25 and there's no shipping. And it's in Canadian money, so it actually costs $25 plus tax. So that's very exciting. I really enjoyed the first box I got. It had some, it's all sample sizes, but it has some good brands in there. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's delve in. Alright. Numero uno is from Wella Professionals. Color Motion Structure Mask with Wellaplex Bonding Agent Intense Restructuring Mask for colored hair. So it is a mask for colored hair, and as you can tell from the color of mine is not colored, so I'll probably pass this along. And then we have from, I think it's Belief is how you say the brand name. Believe in Truth Moisturizing Eye Balm. Provides intense moisture for up to 26 hours. Oh, I like a good eye anything. Whoop! It's under the table. Let me go get that. I went for a journey. So, it is how big is the sample size? 5 mils or 0.17 fluid ounces. So it's got a very false bottom in there. But for eye cream, a little goes a long way. And it's always so very expensive. So that's what it looks like. It doesn't have a safety seal. So I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Alright, next up. What is this? From Garnier. Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. All-in-one waterproof. Removes makeup. I've got 3 giant bottles of this, so I'll pass this along as well. From Barefoot Vegas. Oh, no, sorry, Barefoot Venus. I don't have my glasses on. This is Lavender Smoke Perfume Your Soul Hand Repair. I don't like the smell of lavender. It gives me a headache. I know it's supposed to be soothing, but it gives me a headache. And again, there's no seal on it. That's odd. Is that odd? I don't know. I think that's odd. So yes, I will maybe give this to my husband because he doesn't mind the smell of lavender. I don't like it. What's this? From Biore. I like Biore. Rose Quartz and Charcoal Stress Relief Clay Mask. Great for oily skin. So I get very oily here and here and here. My T-zone. It is what it does. Yes. It helps eliminate impurities, conditions, and purifies your pores, rinse away stress, and reveal soft, smooth skin that radiates energy and happiness. I love radiating. Okay, so this one's sealed, so that's good. So I will like this because I love a good face mask. And another squeezy tube, which, if you can tell, it looks like there's barely anything in here. This is from Nude by Nature. Sheer Glow BB Cream. 15 mils, 0.5 fluid ounces in the shade Nude. So you take your chance of sending this to people. Yeah. I mean, there's not a lot in there. Let's just see. Oh, it's very watery. Oh. Okay. The first spurt is white. The second spurt is a more nude color. So maybe let's shake that up. Don't know that I love this one either. There we go. So that is the color. I mean, on for my skin tone, that would work, but for anybody with any kind of deeper skin tone, that would not be good. I liked my first box better, I'm not gonna lie. Next up, oh, what's this? From Avery Beauty, a Shea Butter Socks. So soothes tired feet, deeply moisturizes rough skin and dry skin. So you thoroughly wash and dry your feet. Wear socks on your feet and gently massage on nails, cuticles, and heels. Let them rest for 15-20 minutes. Remove socks and dispose. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm going to try that out for sure. Oh, the last two things. Nope. Oh, there's still 3 more things in here. So this is from Laneige. There's a lot of brands in here I haven't heard of. Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. Benefit, hydrating, and soothing. You know, I like good hydrating anything. Another tiny little squeezy tube. So in this one we've got 8 mils or 0.2 fluid ounces. So there's that. Okay, the last 2 items are in bubble wrap. Let's see what we got. Oh, a nail polish, I think, feels like. Oh, that's pretty. So from Morgan Taylor, Professional Nail Lacquer in the shade Wish Upon a Starlet. That's a really pretty, that would have been a nice festive color. Let's try it out on this. So they have a card that just says, "Hey, gorgeous." There's no value for this box. Like, you know, you can't tell how much these samples cost. Oh, that's really pretty. So that is the nail polish color. It's a really nice deep burgundy sparkly color. Very festive. Very festive. And then the last item is from Estate. It says Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. How do I use this though? There's no instructions. I'm not so good with the powders and the bake. It's baking? Yeah, bake. I don't know how to do that. But that's okay. I don't wear a lot of creams and foundations. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's a it's a baked highlight. It doesn't okay. Never mind. For everything I say, it's insane most of the time. So it is a baked highlighter. Not for baking like stuff on. You know what? I have enough highlighters. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to pass it along. So that was that box. Did I love it? No. No. A couple of stuff didn't have safety seals on it, which makes me a little wary. But aside from that, let's pick my favorites. Let's go with this clay mask. The foot mask, because that's pretty neat. The nude BB cream, the eye cream, nail polish, this moisturizer, and then these 3 things. So I guess the micellar water, then the restructuring colored hair mask, and the lavender hand cream. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. I'll get this box again. I mean, it is a mystery. You never know what you're gonna get. Oh, and I forgot about this. Let's put that in the middle just because I highlight, but I don't. I usually stick to one highlighter. So yeah, that was the mystery box for the month of January from Topbox. Yeah, $25. This one was a little bit more disappointing than the first one I received. But I like to give stuff multiple chances. You know, except I am spending my hard-earned money on it. So I give it one more chance. So hopefully there's another one that comes out this year. And I'll try it out and film it for everyone and let you know what I think. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like down here. You can click here to subscribe. And then there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. I hope you all have the best day. Thank you for watching.